Check this out. Peanut butter. Look at this. Yum. Like, seriously? Oh my god. Look at this peanut butter. Okay, I may have put a little bit too much of coconut oil, but still. Oh my god. And that's how you clean it. A little bit of warm water, dash of soap. Close it, make sure you've got this, otherwise it's gonna go boof and you're gonna have to paint again. And just go on slow for 20 seconds. Done. It's freaking done. How good is it? Can you tell? Just tell me. Can you tell that I like this? And then just have to give it a wipe and that's it. Can you tell that I like this?